Hi, in this video I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to get an advertisement on your site. Right here is where I'm going to place the advertisement. This is just a sample blog that I've set up for this video. If you go into the back end and look under Appearance, you'll see a link called Widgets. If you click on that, you go to the Widgets page. Now remember, from our site, I'm going to want to place an advertisement right here, the sub sidebar left. This is where I want to put it. So in the widgets, these are all the widgets you can use, and these are all the places where you can put the widgets. I'm going to go sub sidebar left side. That's where I want to put it. So what I'm going to do is take this text widget and drag it over, drop it in, and then in this space I'm going to put the advertiser code from Commission Junction. By this time you probably have already signed up for a Commission Junction account, and once you're into your Commission Junction account, click on Get Links, and then click on a category. For this video I'm going to use Bath and Body category. And over in this column it will show you the relationship status that you have with any of these merchants. I see that I have an active relationship with Murad, so I can click on Get Links, and then I just select one of these links. For this, I'm going to select the 120 by 60 button. Actually, let's see. Yes, I guess I will. So I just go over here and click Get HTML, and it'll show me right here the code. If I highlight the code, copy it, close this window, go back over to my widgets, and paste that code right here. Go down and click on Save. Now, when I go back over to my website, this is where we expect that little button to show up. If I click Refresh, and then you will see there's the ad. Now, if a visitor comes to your website and clicks on this ad, then they will go right to the Murad website. And if they buy anything, you will get a commission. Simple as that. Hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to center an advertisement. In this footer section, you can add all kinds of stuff. Do whatever you want. You can do that through the back end, clicking on Flex Squeeze theme options. And when you get to your Flex Squeeze page, you will see that there's all these options that you can choose from. One of them is making adjustments to the footer. And you can set any of these options that you want for your footer. But the other thing that you can do is use widgets. If you click on widgets, you'll once again go to this widget page that has all your widgets right here. And over here is the footer section. So I could place an advertisement in the footer if I wanted to. Just for this video, what we're going to do is put this text widget and put an advertising code in here. Once again, from Commission Junction. I've selected the floral category, and I'm going to get a link from USA Florist. And this link is going to be a 300 by 250 medium rectangle. So I'll get the HTML. And once again, I'll highlight the code, copy the code, close, place the code in the footer, scroll down and hit save. Go back over to the site and click on the refresh button, and now there it is. So let's say we wanted it to be in the center. See that? So go back to the widget code, and I'll show you how to easily do this. It's just a bit of HTML. At the beginning of the code, just place center. Just like that. And at the end of the code, place like that. That tells the code to end the center. Center and end center. And then hit save. Now when I go back, and if I refresh the page, it'll center it. So we can see that it's done is it centered it. But the footer is divided into two separate divisions. So it's actually only centered it in this one division. If you wanted it to just be centered right in the middle, you would have to change the style of your website. So you would go over to your Flex Squeeze themes, and on the footer settings, you could change some of these parameters so that you could make it do whatever you want it to do. Right here it says number of footer columns. If we make that a 1, then go up here and hit Save Changes. Now, when we go back to our website and we hit refresh again, it will show you now we have it just in one area here, and it's in the center. You'll just have to play around with all of these variables until you can get everything to look exactly how you want it to.